In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage a visual system over time using Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to your dashboard where all your generated images and projects are stored. This will be your main workspace for building consistency. Next, start by defining a clear visual system for your work. This means choosing consistent elements like color palettes, lighting styles, character design rules, and overall mood that you will reuse across multiple projects. After that, save your best-performing prompts inside Artistly AI so you can reuse and refine them over time instead of starting from scratch each time. As you create more images, make small adjustments rather than changing your entire style. This helps your visual identity stay consistent while still evolving creatively. Finally, regularly review your past creations to ensure everything still matches your intended style and improve your system as you grow. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.